Welcome to How to Solve. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Do Not Disturb not working on your iPhone. So Do Not Disturb is a feature available on iPhones that allows you to silence incoming calls, alerts, and notifications. And when enabled, it can help you avoid interruptions and distractions. And here's how you can use Do Not Disturb on an iPhone. First is in the control center, you will see a crescent moon icon. Tap on it to enable Do Not Disturb. The crescent moon icon will turn purple, indicating that the feature is active. Alternatively, you can also enable Do Not Disturb through the Settings app. So open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down to Focus. Tap on it, and here you can customize various options related to Do Not Disturb. You can schedule it to active automatically during certain times, allow calls from specific contacts, and enable or disable various other features. So you can also toggle the manual switch at the top to enable or disable Do Not Disturb instantly. Keep in mind that the specific steps and options may vary slightly depending on your iPhone model and the version of iOS you are running. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.